I'm Chris Sudol. I'm a water quality specialist here with Clean Water Revival. I'm talking to you today about one of our existing customers we upgraded up in Long Island, New York. Have a water quality report. We had a customer for years only with a sink unit for filtration. And the chemical nature of that water up there is such that they really needed whole house or something to also handle bathing water. Customer actually contacted me late last fall asking about how can we fix my wife's itchy skin. He was more worried about softening. So in brief, we talked first about removing the toxin from the water before actually softening. If you take a look at the current water quality data, you find that there's an actual toxic soup there. Not only heavy metals like arsenic, we also have some perchlorate in there, some radioactive elements as well, but dioxane now, which is pretty common for that area, and all of the PFOSs or PFOAs. So in reviewing that with the customer, we decided that we would put in a toxin removal tank first, much more than just a carbon tank. We put that in first, and then we did the softening afterwards. We also upgraded the customer's sink unit to a customized reverse osmosis unit, much different than just a straight filtration, which he had had for all these years. And that's necessary because some of these contaminants just can't be handled any other way. If you'd like to learn more, just go to our website, cwrenviro.com. Underneath our section Total Home Filtration, you'll find a link for our whole house questionnaire. Go ahead and complete that, and we'll schedule a consultation with you.